Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is one of the best camera phones out there. The final images sometimes look overexposed and oversaturated for most people's liking. Today we have several leaked claims that the camera processing on the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be more realistic with better sharpening and saturation. This will hopefully result in more natural-looking photos without the overly bright and vivid colors often associated with Samsung's phone cameras. Alvin also says that the rumored AI features will be one of the key features. The phone is expected to have on-device generative AI, and the tech will allow it to do things such as translate messages and compose emails. Like the iPhone 15 Pro, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's frames will reportedly also be made of titanium. One of the colors the phone will be available in is titanium gray, and per today's leak, it looks better than the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro, which, as the name implies, mirrors the natural silvery gray-white metallic color of natural titanium. And lastly, the rumor says that the Galaxy S24 Ultra is comfortable to hold. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to ditch the curved screen of its predecessor, and while rounded screens have their downsides like anything else, they are easier to hold. That's because curved screens reduce the width of a phone and make it appear narrower in your hands. Thus, it's a relief to know that despite its flatter design, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be easier to hold. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will allegedly be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the US and China and the Exynos 2400 in other markets. The phone may ditch its 10x telephoto camera for a higher resolution camera with 5x zoom. Leaker Ice Universe seems more impressed with software side updates and believes they make the phone Samsung's biggest upgrade in years. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.